Hello, I'm Leeanne Splatt, the author and creator of Robot and Boo, the beach cleaning crew. And as you've no doubt already worked out, Mrs. Robot, he might look cute, but he's actually created entirely of plastic that I collect from the local beach. I'm originally from Melbourne, Australia, and I now live in Japan, where I create plastic art in this little studio to help raise awareness of the global problem of plastic pollution. In 2019, I was inspired by Plastic Free July and Take 3 for the Sea. So I collected a bag of rubbish at the beach every day for the whole month. Each day I made a collage on the sand, photographed it, and posted the pics to Instagram and Facebook. Those images were just the beginning of my plastic journey. Since then, I've co-founded a local not-for-profit organisation called the Marine Friends Project. We visit schools, provide resources, and organise community cleanup activities here in Japan. I haven't stopped beach cleaning either because there's always plastic out there. And as I clean, I'm collecting art supplies. I'm putting it to good use too. This year I've used that plastic for 3 art exhibitions, including a solo exhibit. I've taken plastic to schools and given talks about pollution. I've created Japanese-themed characters, and I've just finished a spooky squad for Halloween. I believe that plastic waste is a resource with endless possibilities that are only limited by our imaginations, and by working together, we can find solutions and sustainable ways to reduce our impact on the environment. I wrote Robot and Boo to help introduce the issue of plastic pollution to children in a fun and engaging way that encourages them to rethink how we look at plastic waste. I hope my book and colourful plastic art inspire you to create your own projects. Would you like some more inspiration? Why not visit my Instagram account? It's called Castaway Colour, and if you'd like to share, please tag me with your own art, as I would really love to see what you create. Thank you.